Okay, this is the second part of lesson is this? Lesson 3, sorry, 4.3. And what we're looking now, what we're going to do now, this is just a bit of an expansion of factoring trinomials, where we've got some letters that we have thrown in there, extra letters. We've got x and y. So if we look at this, we've got x plus 2 times x plus 4. If we expand that, which means we multiply it out, we get x squared plus 6x plus 8, which means that x squared plus 6x plus 8 factors into what we started off with, which x plus 2 times x plus 4. So if we have x plus 2y times x plus 4y, and we expand that, we get x squared plus 6xy plus 8y squared, which means that if we factor x squared plus 6xy plus 8y squared, we can factor that back into what we started with up here, which is x plus 2y times x plus 4y. So when we go to factor something and we see that there's a, whoopsie, what happened? We see that there's a, sorry about that. We see there's an x squared here and a y squared here and an xy in the middle. Then we're gonna do the same thing for the numbers, and then we're gonna put x's and y's in so that it looks right. And then we're gonna check it, okay? That's really important, okay? So here, my product is 30, my sum is 13, and so 10 and 3 is what's going to get me that. Okay, be careful with 30 because sometimes it's 10 and 3, sometimes it's 15 and 2, depending on whether your one's plus or minus. So just always double check your 30s. Okay, so this is going to be x plus 10y times x plus 3y. But then let's just double check that that works. Okay, so this is x times x is x squared plus 3xy plus 10xy plus 30y squared. So that's x squared plus 13xy plus 30y squared. Yay! So this is our answer. Okay, next one. Product, negative 72, sum 71. So 1 positive, 1 negative, bigger 1 positive. So negative 1, 72, not 27. So x squared, sorry, x minus y, 1y, times x plus 72y. And I will leave that for you to check. And then C, my common factor, I can divide all of those by 3. So I get 3 times a squared minus 5ab minus 84b squared, because I use my calculator to divide that by 3. And then my product is negative 84 and my sum is negative 5. Okay, they're different signs. My bigger one is negative, so I've got 1, negative 84, that doesn't work. 2, negative 42, that doesn't work. 3, negative 28, that doesn't work. 4, negative 21, that doesn't work. 5 doesn't divide. 6, negative 14. This is where I start to feel like, is this ever gonna work? No, let's try, well, that one doesn't work. 7, negative 12. Oh, hey, look, that one works. Can you imagine trying to guess this if you didn't have a systematic way of checking them? I can't. Okay, so a plus 7, oops, I forgot my 7. A plus 7b times a minus 12b, and then check it by multiplying it out. And that's the end of the lesson. Bye.